Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can play MP4 video in VLC Media Player. So first step, I'm going to select a video. So I'm going into the videos. So this is the video. So you simply need to click the right mouse cursor and click on open with, and here you can see different options. You simply need to select VLC Media Player, and after that video will be open. So let me mute this from here and let me play. So here you can see that you can do full screen as well. So this is a process how you can play MP4 video in VLC Media Player. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.